Looking for a way to calm your fussy baby? Don't miss this video. We're sharing expert tips and heartwarming stories about introducing pacifiers to your bundle of joy. Hello parents, today let's have a conversation about the process of introducing a pacifier to your baby. It's a decision that varies for each family and might not suit every baby. I'll guide you through the steps. Remember, patience is key in this process, and your baby's comfort always comes first. Selecting the appropriate pacifier shape for your baby is indeed important. Babies have varying preferences when it comes to the shape of their pacifiers. Some might prefer a more orthodontic design, while others might find comfort in a more rounded shape. It's a matter of finding what suits your baby best for a comfortable fit and soothing experience. Don't be discouraged if your baby doesn't immediately take to a particular shape. It might take a bit of trial and error to find the one they like. Remember, your baby's comfort and preference play a significant role in this choice. Introducing a pacifier to your baby requires the right timing and environment. It's essential to start when your baby is calm and relaxed, so avoid offering it when they're already crying or upset. To create an ideal setting, swaddle your baby gently. Swaddling helps keep their hands down and provides a sense of security, making the introduction process smoother. Remember, a calm and peaceful environment is key to a successful pacifier introduction, ensuring that your baby associates it with comfort and soothing. In step 3, it's time to gently introduce the pacifier to your baby's mouth. Use your fingers to apply firm but gentle pressure around their mouth and on their tongue in circular motions. It's possible that your baby may exhibit a reflex where they push their tongue out when the pacifier touches it. This reflex is entirely natural and part of the pacifier introduction process, so there's no need to be alarmed. It's all about introducing the pacifier gently and patiently. Now, let's talk about the timing when offering the pacifier. This is crucial. You want to present the pacifier to your baby when they are calm and content, not when they're hungry or upset. This is because trying to introduce the pacifier when they're already upset can make it more challenging. So wait for a moment when your baby is in a relaxed state. Hold the pacifier at the middle of their tongue and continue with the circular motion we talked about earlier. This consistent approach can help them become more comfortable with the pacifier. Remember, it's all about creating a positive association with the pacifier. Now, let's talk about an essential aspect of this process, patience. It's important to remember that your baby may not immediately take to the pacifier. Be prepared for this to take some time. They might start with some gentle sucks, and this is a positive sign. Gentle sucking can actually trigger the release of endorphins in their brain, which can help promote relaxation and comfort. So, be patient and give your baby the time they need to get accustomed to the pacifier. It's all part of the process. Remember, introducing a pacifier is a gradual process. Some babies take to it quickly, while others might need more time. And it's perfectly okay if your baby doesn't take to it at all. Keep their comfort and preferences in mind throughout this journey. I hope these steps help you as you introduce a pacifier to your baby. Always trust your instincts and your baby's cues. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe for more parenting insights. Take care and best of luck on this wonderful parenting adventure. If you have any questions or your own tips to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Let's support each other in this amazing journey of parenthood. Until next time.